Hi, you are in the channel of A Way to Knowledge, and today we will learn about North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is connected by South America by the country Panama. The oceans which are surrounded by North America are the Pacific Ocean in the west and the Atlantic Ocean in the east. So now let's learn the countries of North America. As you know, while learning the countries, we also say their capitals. So let's start. Bahamas, capital Nassau. Belize, capital Belmopan. Let me ask you a question. Which is the largest country of North America? Yes, it's Canada. Canada is the largest country of North America and the second largest country of the world. So, Canada, capital Ottawa. Costa Rica, capital San Jose. El Salvador, capital San Salvador. Let me ask you a question. Which is the largest island of the world? Yes, it's Greenland. Question also arises that where is the largest national park of the world? So you will answer that it's in Greenland. The national park's name is Northeast Greenland National Park. So Greenland, capital Nuuk. Guatemala, capital Guatemala City. Honduras, capital Tegucigalpa. Mexico, capital Mexico City. Nicaragua, capital Managua. Panama, capital Panama City. Let me ask you a question. Which is the strongest country in the world? It's United States of America, capital Washington DC. Let me ask you another question that you might have watched cricket tournament in the TV. Have you ever seen the cricket team whose uniform is red? Yes, it's West Indies. And have you realized that I have left some countries? The left countries are of West Indies. So now let's learn the countries of West Indies. West Indies are divided into two groups, the Greater Antilles and the Lesser Antilles. So now let's learn the Greater Antilles. Cuba, capital Havana. Dominican Republic, capital Domingo. Haiti, capital Port-au-Prince. Jamaica, capital Kingston. Puerto Rico, capital Amelie. So now let's learn the Lesser Antilles. Antigua and Barbuda, capital St. John's. Anguilla, capital Frank and Neth. Barbados, capital Bridgetown. Dominica, capital Riosao. Grenada, capital Saint George. Guadeloupe, capital Basse-Terre. Martinique, capital Fort-de-France. Montserrat, capital Plymouth. Saint Kitts and Nevis, capital Basse-Terre. Saint Lucia, capital Castries. Saint Martin, capital Philipsburg. Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, capital Kingston. Trinidad and Tobago, capital Port of Spain. The Virgin Islands. They conclude the US Virgin Islands and the British Virgin Islands. US Virgin Islands, capital Charlotte Amalie. British Virgin Islands. Capital Road Town. So we have learned the countries of North America. Now please like. We need more likes for more people to watch our videos. We also need likes for making more videos. Thank you. A way to knowledge.